In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export content from one website and import it into another using the WordPress import and export tools. To begin, open your original source website's backend interface in Google Chrome. Make sure you are inside the admin area where the site settings and dashboard options are available. It can help to keep everything organized by working in browser tabs, since you'll later move between the source site and the destination site. Before you start, take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct website so you don't accidentally export from the wrong place. Once you're in the source site dashboard, go to the settings area, then open the advanced section and find the import and export options. Inside that area, choose export. You'll then want to select the WordPress standard text export format. This option is used to generate a structured file that gathers the site's core text-based content into one package. In simple terms, this export collects things like blog posts, article entries, content structures, and related media link references into a single clean export document. This is the file that will be used to transfer your content from the old site into the new one. After the export has been generated, download the XML file and save it directly to your local device. Store it somewhere easy to find, such as a clearly labeled folder, because you'll need to upload that exact file in the next part of the process. If you manage multiple exports, giving the file a recognizable folder location can save time and prevent confusion. Next, switch tabs in Chrome and open your new destination website's backend admin panel. Once again, make sure you are fully inside the correct dashboard before making changes. This is where the imported content will be rebuilt. Now go to Settings, then Advanced, and open the Import and Export section on the destination site. Click Import to begin. In the Import tools, select the WordPress option. Then use the Upload Files link to choose the XML file you downloaded from the original site. Upload that file into the import panel. As part of the process, you may be asked to map content author settings and permission-related fields. Review those carefully so the imported content is assigned correctly within the new site. When everything looks right, click Confirm Import. The system will then begin rebuilding the historical blog posts and text content inside